Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madgerua, but you can call me Maddie. And welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide your laces. This can be useful whether you're stealthing or not, as some people find the hanging laces in the back to be bothersome.
If your corset is laced to the middle, the first step is to wind your laces together. Next, feed them through behind your X's. Take the rest of the length and wind it around your hand and tuck it underneath the side of your corset. This is a very tidy way of hiding your laces, as you can be sure that they won't pop out. If your corset is laced to the top, you can also feed them behind your X's, but I usually just tuck them into the top of the corset. It's that easy.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell to get notified of all our new uploads. I hope to see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!